Okay, in this video, we're gonna demonstrate how to create a histogram. Okay, three ways, three ways, three ways. Okay, three ways. Okay, the first way on creating a histogram is to use data. Okay, the data analysis toolbar. Okay, if your Excel is not enabled, you can enable that one using this follow these instructions. Okay, options, add-ins. Okay, this one here, manage Excel add-ins, then click go. Okay, you click this one, analysis toolpack. Since I already have enabled the analysis toolpack for my Excel, it's already corrected. Okay, and then click OK. Okay, and then we will see some data here. You click the data here, and this is the data analysis toolpack. Okay, so how do we use data analysis toolpack to create a histogram? Okay, so first we're gonna create some range. Okay, so we're gonna range that as interval limits. Okay, so remember our interval limits is in our example, as we have discussed, is 100 to 200. Okay, that's our example. Okay, so what we're gonna do today is just get the upper limit. The upper limit for 100 to 200 is 200. Okay, so we're gonna put here some 200, 300. These are the upper limits. Okay, and up to 800, up to 700. Okay, so after that, you're gonna click um, data. Okay, and click here histogram, and then click OK. And then after that, okay, so it's already been put here. Okay, I just have to erase that. Okay, we have data here to show you. Okay, so input range, we're gonna check, we're gonna make some histogram on prices. Okay, so to do that, okay, okay, so we're gonna include, sorry, gonna include the label. Okay, include the label, and then up to the 41, row 41, and then click enter. And then on bin range, okay, this one up to here. Okay, and then enter. Okay, you're gonna click the labels here. Okay, labels should always be corrected. Okay, and then the output range will be, so to click here. Okay, so uncheck this one, Pareto sorted histogram. Gonna click here chart output. Okay, and then click OK. Okay, so now we have here our histogram. Prices. Gonna name this is price range. Okay, that's one way. Okay, another way is to um, look for, gonna click insert, and then here, okay, gonna highlight this one first, the prices. Okay, and then click histogram. Gonna click histogram. Okay, so the bad thing about this one is automatically sorted out. Excel has algorithm to do that. Okay, they already have an algorithm to show you the distribution of the prices, and it created 5 bins. Okay, price range. Okay, so this is the price range, or you can just have to uh, just create some designs for that. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, so this is the histogram. Okay, we're gonna add some, check the chart design, and then add data elements. Okay, that one, and that one here. You're gonna name it here, and then you're gonna name it here. Okay, this is the axis title X and Y title. Okay, here, this one. Okay, and this is the name of the chart. Okay, this is the distribution. Okay, but the range here is automatically. Okay, so it's predetermined already. Okay, actually you can change that one to you can change this one to 6. Okay, that's the 6. Okay, that's the 6 range. Okay, I'm gonna find something that fits. Okay, so this is um, the design for 6. This is the okay. This is the 6 bin. Okay, or you're gonna change that. Just click here again. Gonna change that to 7. Up to you. Okay, okay. This one here is negatively screwed to the right. Okay, this is skewed to the right. Okay, this data here is skewed to the right, and it's not a normal distribution because the number of data is just 40. Okay, maybe we need some more data. Okay, so we finish here. The other one is gonna use count ifs. Okay, then I delete this one. Okay, count ifs. I gonna use count ifs. Okay, so to do that, okay, we're gonna use that 100 to 200. This will be the gonna create some data. Okay, 100, okay, 200 to 300. Okay, 300 to 400. Okay, 400 to 500, and then 500 to 600. Okay, let me near this 600 to 700. Okay, and with that, I'm gonna name here some count. Okay, so to count, okay, just have to use count if. Okay, count if, and then gonna count here all of this. Okay, all right, sorry, gonna count all of this. Okay, and then the criteria. Okay, we already have the range. Just gonna put some lock. We're gonna lock this one. Okay, $2 to be sure. Okay. Okay, so this is greater than, less than, or equal to 200. Sorry, another. Okay, uh, okay, so 9. You have the correct answer. Now we just have to copy this one again. So now that um gonna do this, okay, so if we just copy this one to 300 as an upper limit, it will count all from 100 to 300. Okay, so we need two criteria. Okay, so what we're gonna do is add s here, count ifs. Okay, and then we're gonna copy this formula here, the existing formula, or you can just paste this one here. Okay, at comma. Okay, so we're gonna make this this is 300, right? This will be less than 200. Okay, I'm sorry. No, it's not. This will be greater than. Yeah, we got that. Okay, this is greater than 200. Okay, greater than because we don't want to include 200. So we're not gonna put some equal sign there. Okay, so 16. Okay, now we just have to copy all of this formula down. And we're gonna change the data here. So this is 300 to 400. So we're gonna change this one as 400, this one as 300. Okay, and this one also, since this is 400, gonna use this one as 400, and this one as 500. Okay, and this one also here, 500. Okay, and this one is 600. Okay, and this one here is 600, and this one here is 700. Okay, so to do that, to have an histogram of this, okay, to create a histogram, I mean, okay, just have to insert here some bar chart. Okay, so now you have a histogram of this one. Okay, this is the histogram. Okay, I'm gonna put some aesthetics here. Just choose your type of aesthetics that you want. Okay, and change here histogram for price. Okay, okay, so that's one way of creating histogram. Okay, this is more of your if you want to customize. Okay, okay, and if you want to segregate all of the data, you can use this one. Okay, all right. Okay, so I think this is the end of this topic. Okay, I'll see you again.